All right, so welcome back to another video. So currently it's October 15th and it's currently 7:41 a.m. and I am live trading. So let's switch to it. So I'm currently floating 56K. I'm actually about to close out some of these positions shortly so you guys can get all the details about this trade. I can see I got a couple of lot positions down here. Kind of make it bigger so I can see it. Yeah, so I went hard. I went hard today. Not even gonna lie. Went hard today. I went super hard today. But yeah, so we're gonna kind of be breaking this down. Just give me a second. I'm trying to close out these trades. Give me 1 second. It's still pushing. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. This is crazy. I'm really floating 58K right now. Crazy. 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 Close them all. All right, so done. Finally done. Give me a second. Finally done. So first and foremost, let me just start off by saying, this trade is stressful as shit. I got stopped out like twice trying to get this. This is actually my third try, and like, bro, completely stressful. But it wasn't all that bad. I mean, I made like what 59K. So who am I to say? You know what I'm saying? But what I will show you is the trades that I was looking at and how I kind of got there. So cool. So as you can see, all TPs kind of got hit, and let's kind of just show you how the process that it kind of took to get here. Because boy, like I said, it was a process. So first and foremost, on the 1 hour time frame, before we kind of went through this drop right here, I did a buy right along here, and I believe where was it? No, yeah, I did a buy right along here, and I got stopped out. Right. Matter of fact, I can show you a little bit better. I did this buy right around here, and this candle stopped me out. Then I did another buy around here and got stopped out again. At this point in time, I think I just got wicked out. Just basically wicked out. Like literally, this wick right here was like my stop loss. I literally just got like wicked hit, but I didn't close. I didn't close, but I caught this position for everyone. This move is still fucking going. Let's go. Then finally, I caught this buy right here. So let's kind of talk about it, right? Because what's important is what actually happened this morning, right? Which I wasn't quite sure, but apparently my students are telling me that there was some GBP news like around this morning. So the GBP news, as you can see here, was like negatively impacting. This one was decent. This one was decent. And then we started to build some momentum since. So because of that, right? The market had like a little bit of an offset, right? To where, as you can see here, the market was struggling and looking for momentum. It kept on trying to go up, hence the fake outs we were getting caught in, hence everything. Now, originally my analysis was based on this 3 minute time frame. Well, entry analysis is based on a 3 minute time frame, but you can see here that we have this zone here as an area of resistance turn support, and same thing right here, resistance turn support. I knew that this retest was gonna come back down within this parameter. It's kind of like the same move from the Sunday breakdown, basically. If you haven't watched it, you should probably go check it out because it just happened. To where I said, hey, we're gonna pull back and then we're gonna kind of retest, right? But this pullback, again, when it comes to pullbacks, it doesn't have to directly happen as you think it is, right? Like I thought it was gonna pull back into this area and then shoot off. We literally came back into the same area as yesterday, acted as support, and then took off, right? So that's pretty much how the move kind of happened for today, right? It kind of came down, retested the same area, and then rejected, and then shut off. Even from a 4 hour perspective, if it was just supposed to look at the bigger picture, right? The bigger picture, I had this counter trend line, and I had this trend line kind of trending, and I just wanted it to kind of hit this area. So I knew something was gonna kind of happen in this area overall. And then kind of looking at it from this perspective, all we did was just reject and use as momentum to kind of lift off. Now, this move is still going, obviously. Like, I closed out like around here, but it's still going, obviously. And, like, that's just a part of the game. But live trading today kind of kept it simple. Y'all could see I just actually closed out the move in front of y'all. And again, like, trading is all based off patience. Remember, the only thing that we control in this game is the risk that we use. So, with that being said, again, we retested. I kind of stayed vigilant, waited for momentum to kind of come back in. Took the entry here off the 750. I took 2 entries here. I had a couple entries here in the middle because I was just floating from that same move. And I think I had like 2 entries that I added in once we kind of broke out. And that was good enough for me. You can see the momentum's kind of going crazy right now with everything of the such. And yeah, with that being said, that's pretty much this live trading day in a nutshell. Like, wish I had more to kind of tell y'all, but fuck that. We made fucking 56K, you feel me? Like, boom. And I finally took this account to 200K, which felt good kind of doing that. So, yeah.